Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Algaranaco, just to the southeast of Algaranaco. We're going to take a walk along the Cascade del Zurreón. I've looked it up on the internet. It's a nice waterfall at the end of the walk, short walk, and we'll have a wander along. I'll tell you a bit about it as we go. I hope you enjoy it. It's just another walk that I found and I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, see you in a minute. Right, off we go. We get off on our walk. We're going to go down to the waterfall. Well, going down to the river Turca first. It's called the River Turca. It's actually called the River Turca locally. It was originally the River Turca. Then they changed the name of the river to the Rio Pescara because it used to have lots of fish farms along the river. It's only 21 kilometres long. It starts higher up in the mountains and it ends up at Lake Iznaca at the reservoir, enters the reservoir further down the valley. So we'll have a wander around and see what we can see. Okay, speak to you in a while. That's the way we're going, over the bridge. Looks a bit precarious. It's very solid underfoot. That will do. Algaranaco, the village, the town itself, it's been here since prehistoric times. The name Algaranaco is derived from the Arabic Algaran, which is actually means the cave. So in the area there was a lot of cave houses at one time. Just a little bit of information for you there. So we're going to head up towards the waterfall. We walk this way. Hope you're okay going backwards, Tony. I don't want you bumping into anything. Okay. We walk up we've just crossed over the small bridge, the second bridge, and we're heading up the riverside now. It's more of a brook than a river really. There isn't a lot of water coming through, but we are at the top end. I expect there's lots of springs going further down which connect to it. Picnic areas for the summer. I bet this place gets quite busy in the summer. It's quite slippery at the moment with all the leaves on the floor. Little pools. Someone's dog's and who's to see me. Slippery on there. I brought my pole with me today. in case it's slippery on the sides. I don't want to go falling in. Being on my own makes it a bit awkward. Up this valley there's lots of walnut trees, pomegranate trees. It's from the Moorish times when the Moors were here. This was one of the outlying areas from Granada when the Moors held Granada. The last place they held. This was one of the last places to fall to the Christians when the Moors were here. So a lot of the villages in this area have a very Moorish influence because of that. Hence the name Algaranaco. Up above, I don't know if you can see it, you can see a wall going around the top. That's the road that comes from Ventura San Jose to Algaranaco. Looking on the internet for the area, it says there's gannet, fox, badgers, one or two snakes, non-venomous ones, thank goodness. And small kestrels live around here as well. So obviously there must be a lot of rodents for them to eat. Here's the waterfall. Head up towards the irrigation. Thousands of years it's put through this rock and made the small canyon that we see today. Cascade del Zurreón. This track, I'm surmising, takes you down to below the lower waterfall, but unfortunately today, with it being so slippery, I won't be venturing it. As I say, just a short walk, just to show you the waterfall. If you do come on this walk, bring a walking pole with you, especially if it's a bit damp, because it's quite slippery along this riverside track, and with the trees and what seems to be some sort of spiky things hanging down which stick to you, it does take your mind off the walk, and then you're liable to fall in the river, so be careful. Back over the small bridge. Ruta de Agua. I'll put a couple of photos at the end. Let's get over this bridge. Now back at the car at the top of this path. Well, thank you for coming along on the walk with me today. It's a nice walk, better in the dry. It's a bit precarious in the wet. I did fall down once. I'll put it on the end of the video just to give everybody a bit of a snigger, I think. And I'll delete the swear words though when I went down. So thank you for coming on again with me again. And I'll put the parking location in the description down in the comments. If If you get anything to ask me, just ask away. I'm thinking of doing some giveaways in the future. I'll talk about that on the next one. Okay, see you soon everyone. Take care. I was just going to say be careful there. And I fell down. This looks like broken, I think. That's really feels better for that, having a fall down.